Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Haylou Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page, and on this page you should see your Haylou RS3. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the face gallery, and here scroll down and find the category called Gallery Dial. Tap on it. No, my bad, I tapped on the wrong one, on the Gallery Dial, like this. And right here we can customize our watch face. We can select the style, we have only one for some reason. Then we can tap on background settings. Come on. Like this. And here we have two options, we have take picture and gallery. If you select take picture, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture with the phone's camera and use it as a watch face. And the gallery option allows you to pick the picture or image from your phone. Basically it opens the file browser and you can select the picture. I'm gonna use the gallery option, but you can use the take picture one. As you can see, it opened the camera or other file manager, and here we have two photos we can use. I'm gonna select this one. To select it, simply tap on this box on the picture, and once you select the picture, tap on completed. Now you can crop the image, so basically you can move this around this frame. Oh, my bad, I went back by mistake. So let's select the picture again, crop the image. Usually you should be able to zoom in and zoom out, but for some reason it doesn't allow me. But anyway, whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So I'm gonna position it something like this. Then we're gonna tap on crop, and here we have a preview of our watch face. Another thing you can change is the color of the text on the watch face. So select the one you like. And once you're done, tap on set as current watch face. And wait until it's done syncing with your watch. It might take a couple of seconds. And once it's done syncing, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. Okay, now we can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.